Yes, hello.
State your name.
Aurelius Terry.
What are we doing?
Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you, Mr. Terry. Please be muted. Your Honor, we
I'm sorry.
would be requesting adjournment to get the body worn cameras in this case. And Mr. Terry would like me to address bond if the court is willing.
Adjourn is June 1st, 2023. 9 a.m. Resume invite indicates yes. Go ahead. It's just bond.
Your Honor, Mr. Terry was placed on a tether.
Buckle up, guys. Today we are going to witness a tense courtroom moment unfold in real time. The hearing opens abruptly with confusion, muted microphones, and the defendant being identified on record. Almost immediately, the defense pivots to procedural matters, requesting body-worn camera footage. It feels routine at first, but beneath the surface, this opening sets the stage for a high-stakes bond argument that will soon take a dramatic turn.
By the magistrate at arraignment, I believe that's due to his ties mainly being to Chicago. I don't really have any new information to present other than my office did receive an affidavit purporting to be from the alleged victim in this case, indicating that she does not want these charges pursued. But Mr. Terry was respectfully requesting the court consider removing the GPS tether.
As the hearing continues, the defense formally addresses bond conditions, focusing on the GPS tether placed at arraignment. The attorney explains the justification given by the magistrate and introduces a surprising detail, an affidavit allegedly from a victim stating she does not want charges pursued. This moment quietly shifts the tone, suggesting potential weakness in the case and raising the expectations that the court might reconsider the strict bond conditions.
Response from the people.
Your Honor, this is a situation where it's a home invasion first degree and a domestic violence as well as 2 counts of R&O. The tether was placed for the safety of the victim. I actually do not have any information about the victim saying that they do not want to proceed. And it does appear that he is a flight risk given the seriousness of the case and his criminal history. He has several ties to St. Charles, Illinois, Joliet, Illinois, and had cases in those areas as well.
Based upon all that information, and I don't have any information from the alleged victim in this case either. So, motion for bond reduction or change of conditions is denied. Bond will continue as set.
At this point, the prosecution responds decisively. From an outside perspective, the tone hardens as the state outlines the severity of the charges, including first-degree home invasion and domestic violence. The prosecutor emphasizes public safety, the defendant's criminal history, and alleged flight risk due to out-of-area ties. The judge listens, then firmly denies any change to bond conditions, ending this segment with a clear and final ruling.
Thank you.
Can I say something?
I would recommend against it, Mr. Terry. I don't think there's anything that we can say that would change the judge's mind on this one.
Can I say it at least? I just want to
say whatever you want.
Yeah, I just want to speak on the tether issue. I'm not a flight risk. I work here at Eisenhower Center, and they're telling me that I won't be able to work if I keep the bracelet on my leg. I'm not a flight risk. I don't understand why they even say that. I'm here. I have a good job. I'm not trying to lose that. And then stay on the tether. The job is telling me that they'll have to let me go, which I'm not trying to have happen. I'm not.
Somebody's going to need to put that in writing. Give that to your counsel. I did not hear that. I have all of your ties being in the Chicago area.
Yes, I understand, but I moved here years ago.
Well, I don't. I have no idea about that.
I also wanted to speak about the affidavit paper that the defendant had sent over. I don't understand. I gave it to the public defender office. The state attorney office should have it also.
Well, first of all, that is going to be your attorney's decision about that, because there may be things contained that he may not turn over. But I'm sure with your law degree, you could probably tell him to do something different. So I'm going to continue my ruling if you are done. Bond will continue as it is. Thank you.
When is the next court date? When's the next court date, sir?
First, as I said before.
Thank you. This is crazy. I don't understand. I'm going to lose my job for something that's going to be dismissed. Thank you.
He probably wants to mute himself.
It's not letting me mute myself. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
What follows is the most emotionally charged moment. Despite being advised not to speak, the defendant addresses the court directly, insisting he is not a flight risk and explaining that the GPS tether could cost him his job. The judge responds sharply, reaffirming prior findings and deferring legal decisions to counsel. The exchange ends in frustration and confusion as the defendant struggles to mute himself.